assalamu alaikum and namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Danu. Today we are going to learn what is a computer, also its definition, parts, and types in simple words. Definition of computer. So first of all, a computer is an electronic device that takes input data, processes it according to instruction, that is program, stores it, and gives or produces output. In short, input, process, store, output, basic parts of computer. Jesse K. Number 1, input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner. Number 2, output devices like monitor, printer, speakers. Number 3, storage devices like hard disk, SSD, USB. Number 4, central processing unit, CPU, the brain of the computer, and ALU, CU, memory unit and registers AT hen. So first of all, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. It performs basic arithmetic calculations like addition, multiplication, etc. Control unit. It controls instructions. Memory unit. It stores data T.